All right, this episode is going to be particularly short, but I need to record it because it makes a point. And it makes a point about how we, the community, are trying to make C++ safer. At least if we can in little ways. Yes, my name is Jason Turner, and I am available for code reviews and on-site training. Look for C++ best practices workshops offered by me at upcoming conferences in 2025, such as ACCU in Bristol, England. Furthermore, I am hoping to offer classes at CPPCon, C++ on C, C++ under the C. Let's write a function. It returns an integer. Let's write another function that returns an integer reference. And we're going to call this call_getValue. Now I am going to return the result of calling getValue. This is going to be a compiler warning, without a doubt. Right here. We can see it. I have not enabled any compiler warnings at all. You can see I have a fresh, brand new version of GCC without any warning selected. And it is a late version of GCC as well. If you follow my best practices, there's a good chance that you have WErr here. And I say that you should use WErr because people just don't track warnings, and it's a terrible state of things, but we end up with far too many warnings in our code because people don't deal with them unless they're forced to. So fine. You don't have WErr because you don't like my best practices. But you've gone ahead and you've updated your compiler, and you are now in C++ 26 mode. This is now a hard compile error. You cannot return a reference to a temporary in C++ 26. So something that basically all compilers warned on and was always undefined behavior and always a bad practice is now simply not allowed in C++ 26 mode at all. So there you go. That's the point of this episode. I hope you enjoyed this. In the meantime, because you probably aren't using a C++ 26 compiler yet in 2024 when this episode is recorded, please go and enable -WErr, at least for this kind of warning. I'll see you in the next episode.